Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to add a follow button to your Facebook page. First of all, open up the Facebook app. After opening the Facebook, tap on the menu from the top right corner. Then tap on your profile and click on three dots. Go into Edit Action Buttons. You can edit the buttons from here. Click on Edit button. You can add new buttons in it and tap to save it. Then go back into the menu and scroll down to click on Help and Support. After that, tap on Report a Problem and turn on the Shake phone to report a problem. Then click on Report a Problem and tap on Include in Report. Select a product as page, then describe your issue, then send your report. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.